Hello, it's Greg from Let's Construct It. I spent some time digesting into the possibilities of Trimble Connect, and I very quickly realized that the Trimble Connect is a huge reservoir of data. Not only the visual data, but the very high quality BIM data. All of those properties, all of those property names, values, property sets, all of what is here, it can provide a significant value into the business decisions in your company. And in the vanilla Trimble Connect, you can of course open the data table, customize the columns which are visible here, and later you can export it to the CSV file and later process in some business analysis tool. In the other side, you could use Organizer to try to see your model through the data, but I tried to think, okay, maybe there is a better, maybe not better, maybe there is a different way to achieve the business analysis functionality based on the data gathered inside of the Trimble Connect. So let's see how the custom connector for the Trimble Connect could work. So inside of the Power BI, I can now specify just Trimble Connect. Here it is, and I should provide specify in which region I am operating. I will skip the model ID, just a simple use case, and then I should authorize myself with the proper Trimble account. So let's assign using the stored values, or maybe I will have to do it once more. Okay, let's log in. Oh, sorry, I have to. Let's type password, and after a while we are signed in. So 002 has worked. Okay, let's connect. And after that, we will be able to select the model which we want to query, which we want to get the data from. And I have prepared some sample IFC file coming from the Tekla structures. And there will be just one table which will show us all of the properties which are connected to the entities inside of the IFC file. Let's load the data. It will take a while. The model is in medium size, I would say, so we have to wait until we will load all of the data stored inside of the Trimble Connect into the Power BI, and later we will be able to operate on the data however we want. So now we have the data, and let's start with just adding some slicers just to cut our data into smaller chunks. So first, object types, and those are just the IFC object types. So the beam, column, slab, whatever you have in your IFC file. Later, let's add the second slicer, maybe with some property sets, and it will be the nested slicer because all of the data is divided into the property sets and then into the property names. So for example, custom profile, it has only one property profile name, but extrusion probably, yeah, it has much more. Okay, that is needed for filtering. And then let's just add some table just to see what exactly do we get from the Trimble Connect. And here, what we can see the identifiers of our elements, also the object types, and yeah, let's go with the property sets, names, and also the values. So now I am seeing almost everything, a lot of columns. It is not filtered. So let's focus maybe only on the reinforcing bars. Let's see what type of grades do we have in that model. So I am specifying that I want to digest only the IFC reinforcing bar, and then I can see, for example, this property, and those are values which are here. So there are quite a lot of them, some strange ones. It would be nice to see what exactly, but of course we can also, with the help of Power BI, different visualizations, try to represent the data however you would like. So for example, let's display it in some pie chart, why not? And let's display the value of the property and by the count. The uniqueness of our records is coming from identifiers, so let's grab it by the count of GUIDs, and here it is. The most common reinforcement diameter is 10, just like that. Of course, it's just a sample, what you can achieve based on the data stored inside of the Trimble Connect, and the details are up to you, because probably you are interested maybe in some element statuses just to get this flow of the project, how the things are progressing, or maybe you are interested in some other type of elements or maybe property sets. All of the data is now inside of your Power BI, so you can format it, transform however you would like. It's up to you what you want to achieve. It's the main purpose of that custom connector is to just get to pull the data from the Trimble Connect based on the technical possibilities which are inside of the Trimble Connect API. If you are interested in details, then you can of course download the source code from the GitHub and see exactly how the process of developing custom connector for the Power BI looks like, because it can be quite tricky. Maybe I will record some videos with the explanation what exactly is going to with the OO2, with merging of the data from different API calls with the pagination, and probably there was something more. But okay, for now you can just get this connector and try it yourself to see. Maybe you will find something interesting in the data which is already in your Trimble Connect models. That's all. Thanks for today and see you next time.